Friends, today I'll speak something about Gaya Dham. Gaya Dham is a very holy place for both Hindu and Buddhist people. Hindu people regard Gaya Dham as a Mukti Tirth, that means place which gives liberation, and Buddhist people they regard Gaya Dham as Gyan Tirth, that means place which gives knowledge. When in the beginning, at the time of creation, when Brahmaji was busy in creating human, demons and some other creatures, a demon was created by him whose name was Gaya. Though Gaya was a demon, but his heart was very saintly. He thought, why not I should perform some activity for which people will remember me for long, forever. So he decided to went for austerity. So he performed his very severe austerity to please Lord Vishnu. At last Lord Vishnu was pleased, and Lord Vishnu told him to ask for any benediction. So Gaya demon asked Lord Vishnu to stay in his heart so that any man who will see him will be delivered from the hellish planet. That means whatever sins may have he has done, but when he will see Gaya demon, he will be freed from all sinful activities. So Lord Vishnu agreed and said Tathastu. So this news was spread all over, and so many sinful persons they came and they had a darshan of Gaya demon, and after their death they didn't have to go to hellish planet, and they went to heavenly planet. In this scenario, the system of Yamraj was getting disturbed, because Yamraj was has a service to punish the sinful people so that they can rectify their lives, and after this life they will get a higher life. But by this scenario, so the sinful people, they won't have to go to Yamlok, the hellish planet. They were going to heavenly planet, directly heavenly planet, because they had a darshan of Gaya demon. So Yamraj and Brahmaji and other demigods, they met together, and they decided that we should engage Gaya demon in any activity for long years. So Lord Brahma had an idea, and he approached Gaya demon. He said that your body is very pious and for any sacrifice, and we want to do a very efficient sacrifice on your body. So Gaya demon was very glad to hear this, that my body will be used for sacrifice. He agreed and he let down. So Brahmaji and other demigods, they performed sacrifice, and the sacrifice went on so long years, and Gaya demon was bored, laying down in a single posture, and he wanted to change his posture. When he wanted to change his posture, so Gaya, Brahmaji and other demigods, they wanted to stop Gaya because the sacrifice will be ruined. But they couldn't. Finally they approached Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu came, and Lord Vishnu also tried to stop Gaya demon by putting a Dharmashila mountain over the Gaya demon's body. But that also didn't work. So finally Lord Vishnu kept his lotus feet on that mountain and fixed Gaya forever. So on his body, this beautiful city of Gaya is placed. And also Lord Vishnu blessed him that from now your body is very suitable for performing Shraddha. Shraddha means the Pinda offering rituals after a person's death. So whoever after death will get Pinda at the place of Gaya, he will be delivered. And he will be relieved from the hellish planet and from that Pretiyoni. So here also Lord Ram and Sita Devi, they also came to offer Pinda to Dasarath Maharaj. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here to offer Pinda to his father Jagannath Mishra. Lord Balram came here, Lord Nityanand Prabhu came here, Yudhishthir Maharaj came here, Bhim ji came here. So many incarnations and pure devotees also they came here to offer Pinda to their forefathers. So you also, if you also want to offer Pinda to your forefathers, so contact details is on the screen. You can follow it and contact us. We'll happy to serve you. Thank you so much.